All right, so we're on the fifth hole here. We're going to use our yardage book. So essentially here, we're going to look ahead. We can see, we know the pin's 72 yards away, and we can see where it is. So we actually know the pin's about 12 paces onto the green. So we can locate where the pin is. It's actually just above these red slopes here. So what that means is that these red slopes mean the ball is going to roll off of that. So we want to make sure we're hitting the ball just a little bit past. That's what we're going to do right now. All right, we made it to the green. Now let's take a look at where we want to aim. So we can see here that we're about 5 yards past the pin. So we can identify where the pin is and where we are. Looking at here, we can see the slopes here are kind of lighter blue and dark blue. So we know the slopes are between maybe 1.5% and 0%. So it's not going to break very much. Usually 2% is an even slope. So looking at the arrows as well, we can see some of the slope actually pushes towards the middle, but some of it actually pushes the other way too. So this putt's going to be pretty straight based on what our book's telling us. So we're going to aim about an inch outside the center of the hole. Let's see where it goes.